Hi, in front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and create or select one of your chats. When you're ready, tap on this icon of a paperclip at the bottom left corner. Now select the video section and click on videos to pick one of the available ones. If you can't find it here, tap on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of your sources. After finding your video, just hold it and click on Open at the top right corner. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, mine was successfully added. If you wish to add an audio file, click on Audio section instead and select Voice Recorder or Music and Sounds. Then tap on the same three lines and click on one of those options, in this case Downloads. Now, after holding your chosen file, hit Open at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!